Let's talk about Uber Teen expanding into more markets and now your market. So I don't have to just worry about this, but you got to worry about it now too.
Yeah, this is my app. By the way, they also forced Uber Pet on me. I'm like, bro, I don't want to do it. They had that glitch actually. Uber Pet showed up like 10 times within an hour in my inbox. Uber Pet, Uber Pet, Uber Pet. I'm like, I don't want to do it. And then they put the box there. But the other day, unbeknownst to me, and look how they hid that. But look, I mean, it is normal. Um, I'm like looking at my preferences, about to set my preference. I go, teen requests. I'm going like,
Ah,
what the
ah,
hell is
ah.
this? They sneaked it in there, Chris. And then I click
Dun
on
dun
it.
dun.
It's toggled on automatically. I'm
Yep, that's
like,
how it was for me too.
bullshit. I ain't doing it. Toggle it off. I don't know whoever your opinion is about Uber Teen. I will not do a delivery to a teen or rideshare for a teen between the ages of 13 and 17.
Mhm.
Personally, I'm not going to do it. If you guys did it already, which I know is in many cities already, shoot me an email, Sergio at RideShareGuy.com. Let me know how it went. I'm not going to personally do it. Period. That's it.
You know what? Here's the thing. I would say for me personally, I'm still on the fence about it. I think if it's a one teen or like a brother sister or something, and it's okay there. I think you're going to be okay for the most
Yeah.
part. But if you're starting to get into a group of kids, that's where it's just going to become chaos.
That's the problem,
So
Chris. That's the
that's
problem.
the thing that yeah, that's the thing. And if there's a multi-stop where you're picking up more people,
Yeah.
that's where it becomes a big problem too.
Because
So
because you know what
if it's like one or two kids, I think for the most part it's going to be okay.
like you said, two
Overall,
siblings from one house, I'm fine with it, right? But
yeah.
the problem is the teen that's ordering this trip on their family account, which they have to, and the parent will get notified, right? And it's audio recorded, and automatically the parent can get in touch with the driver over the phone, not just through the app. And the parent is watching, follow my ride thing that they have. Okay, all these are good things, except
Hmm.
that, and the teen cannot change the destination. All good things. However, the teen can add stops. If it's a, like you said, brother, sister, same siblings from one house, I pick up, take them to school, whatever it is. Okay, I get it. But if a teen at 3 in the morning decides to turn this into a Uber pool, orders the trip through on their family account, then goes picks up another friend, then goes, now you know what the problem is? That one kid that ordered the trip is under the family account. But
Hmm.
everybody else that's about to get in my car, I have to make sure that they are 18 or older. See, there is like a hybrid or mix happening here. One kid that's ordering the trip is in the family account, but then you cannot, as a driver, pick up kids after that. You pick up the teen in the family account. You have to make sure that they're not under the age of 18. So one kid in the car is on the family account, the rest are under the age of 18. You're taking a huge risk, because if that was a regular Uber X trip that you showed up to pick up and it was underage minor, you would cancel and move on. Now you're
Hmm.
creating friction between that family account holder and yourself, because the teen wants to pick up other teens, right? And it just does not work. I don't want to do it. I don't want to open myself to any risk whatsoever. So,
Yep, exactly. There's a lot of potential issues there. So
yep.
let us know what you think about Uber Teen. Have you been taking rides? How's your experience been? Let us know. And I think the only way you can really make a good decision is making it informed. So you might have to try a teen ride out just
Yeah,
to see. That's what
yeah.
I've said. So it's one of those things that like I said, I'm still on the fence about, because if it's one or two, if they're probably not going to create problems at that
Yeah.
point. But if you have the group of them, that's where it becomes probably very problematic.
Or
Uh,
you can do Uber Teen during daylight hours. I don't want any teenagers in my car
yeah.
after dark. I don't. Okay. You can take them to school, maybe take them to soccer practice, whatever. But I don't want any kids in my car past midnight, even in 11, 12. I don't. I'm just not going to do it. So toggle
Yeah.
on, toggle off. There you go.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.